This is the wife's Jeep, guys. I want to show you something a little bit different on the channel. 2014 Grand Cherokee, 8-speed transmission. I put a 2-inch leveling kit on the front of it. Done wheels and tires. They're a 265 7017. I couldn't remember there for a second. They're the Falken, the new Falken tires they got. Procomp wheels, 17x9, -6 offset. Did have to beat this back a little bit. They was a rubbing. It had to beat the pinch wheel back, but they clear now. Had to do that and just a little bit of trimming right here on the fender flare. That's about it. But other than that, it's pretty good. They stick out exactly 2.5 inches from the fender in the front, and the back is 2 3/8 inches. Took all the Jeep emblems and stuff off. Got the 3.6 in it. Got this so she can daily drive it. We pretty much, she was driving the Charger a lot, and we're going to pretty much just going to use it weekend car now and do some more mods and stuff.